Hey everyone! Following the success of the P50 Pocket series, Huawei introduced its third folding screen product, the Pocket 2, earlier this year at the Spring Fashion Festival. While the Pocket 2 captivated many with its chic exterior design, its starting price of $1,055 raised concerns among younger consumers, especially those drawn to the Hongming operating system and Kirin chip. To address this, Huawei launched the Nova Flip, a stylish, more affordable alternative designed specifically for younger users. The Huawei Nova Flip stands out with its fresh approach to design, moving away from the dual-ring aesthetic of the Pocket series. Instead, it features a unique 1:1 square external screen, a first in Huawei's lineup. This screen is paired with a rectangle deco that integrates seamlessly with the two cameras, creating a sleek, full-screen exterior design. The screen's corner is perfectly aligned with the deco's border, offering a visually pleasing symmetry. Available in 4 colors: new green, sakura pink, zero white, and starry black, the Nova Flip caters to a variety of style preferences. While the first 3 colors boast fine AG frosted glass, the starry black option utilizes the familiar leather embossing seen in other Huawei models, like the Pora 70 Ultra and Nova 12 Ultra. Huawei has retained the innovative basalt water drop hinge from the Pocket 2 series, a key feature that ensures the Nova Flip screen remains exceptionally flat when unfolded. Despite a reduction in price, the hinge's design, which includes double lever gears and rocket steel components, also provides the Nova Flip with remarkable resistance to drops and impacts. This engineering feat has earned the Nova Flip the Swiss SGS 1.2 million folding certification, ensuring long-term reliability even after extensive use. One of the Nova Flip's major selling points is its portability. Weighing just 195 grams, and with a thickness of only 6.88 mm when unfolded, the Nova Flip is both lightweight and slim, offering a superior feel compared to other devices in the market. The larger external screen allows for new, engaging ways to interact with the device. The call emoji feature, which displays a range of animations during calls, adds a playful touch that sets the Nova Flip apart from its competitors. Additionally, the external screen's increased size makes it easier to view real-time messages without opening the phone, enhancing usability. The Nova Flip shines in the camera department, particularly for those who love taking selfies. Huawei has equipped the device with a 50-megapixel f1.9 camera, featuring a 1x1.56-inch sensor complemented by the DaVinci Portrait Engine 2.0. The folding screen design not only allows for creative photography angles, but also serves as a portable tripod, making it perfect for solo adventures. This feature, combined with the high-quality camera, creates a new standard for mobile photography, especially for users who want to capture stunning images without needing assistance. Under the hood, the Nova Flip is powered by the Kirin 8000 CPU, and features Huawei's Hongming Smart Communication, now in its 2.0 version. The device's tightly coupled fast and slow wave cables significantly improve signal transmission, ensuring reliable communication even in areas with poor reception, such as basements and elevators. The dual card dual pass and dual card acceleration functions further enhance network performance, providing a seamless experience for users. The Nova Flip is equipped with a 4400 mAh battery that supports 66-watt wired charging, though it lacks wireless charging. While this is a trade-off compared to the higher-end Pocket series, it is a reasonable compromise, considering the Nova Flip's more affordable price point. However, the Nova Flip does miss out on some features found in the Pocket series, such as two-way BDU satellite messaging, a spectral camera, and IPX8 waterproofing. These omissions are likely due to cost considerations, but may be a drawback for users seeking those specific features. The Nova Flip is a strong entry into the small folding market, offering a stylish and functional alternative for younger consumers. While it lacks some high-end features, its design, performance, and user experience make it a compelling option, especially in the $700 price range. For those who value aesthetics and functionality in a compact form, the Nova Flip is a noteworthy choice. Huawei has successfully created a device that appeals to fashion-conscious users, while maintaining the brand's reputation for innovation and quality. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your thoughts in the comments. Have a nice day, and see you soon.